Advanced drone AI and autonomy. Artificial intelligence is transforming drone capabilities, steering them toward full autonomy. By 2024, expect drones that can think, learn, and adapt in real time without human intervention. AI-powered drones will make split-second decisions, such as avoiding obstacles and selecting optimal flight paths, while executing complex tasks like building structures and mapping terrain. In industries where precision and adaptability are crucial, AI-enabled drones will become invaluable. In agriculture, they will analyze crop health, predict disease outbreaks, and recommend the best harvesting times. In construction, autonomous drones can survey and map extensive sites, ensuring projects remain on track without constant human oversight. As drone autonomy advances, fully self-operating drones will emerge, capable of managing tasks from start to finish independently. These drones will handle deliveries, monitor infrastructure, and patrol areas, only reporting back when necessary. The increasing intelligence of drones will make them essential in sectors ranging from logistics to public safety. As AI evolves, drones will transition from mere flying cameras to intelligent machines capable of independent thought, real-time decision-making, and complex problem-solving, revolutionizing surveillance and infrastructure development.